Hey guys, this is Bushcraft Ben back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sharpen an axe. So let's get to it. Okay, so it's really simple and easy to sharpen an axe. All you do is just take your little sharpener. This is a really cheap sharpener, but it still works really good. And so you take it like this, you put on your thing like this, and you just, well, first you got to fill it, and find where you need to have your sharpen out what angle you have in. Then you just do circular motions until you get it really sharp. And then also you use this darker side, or whichever side is the roughest, to get these little ridges out. I got one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get out. And just keep on doing that like that on both sides. I'm going to show you how I do it. So I will be back when I have it sharpened. So I just finished sharpening my axe. It's really sharp. So that's how you sharpen your axe using a sharpening stone. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time.